Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how can you install or download WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. If you wanna go ahead and download and install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop, then you have to follow the steps. So what next you wanna do is you need to install a third-party application. So either way, you could download a BlueStack or a UWeave. So I'm gonna go with the UWeave. Now here you have to go type in uwave underscore Android setup, and you can find a link and go ahead and set it up first of all. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and continue with the trial version, and as soon as you're done you'll be taken to the home page. As soon as you're done, you'll be taken to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. Now from the home page you need to go ahead from the home page you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in WhatsApp. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and press the download now button at the bottom of the page and wait for it to install. After you're done downloading it, you could go ahead and export the contact. So this way you could download WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.